Why do e-motos wheelie so easily? It's not just power, it's how that power hits. On a gas bike, you have gears, clutch, and a delay before the power kicks in. But on bikes like the Sur-Ron Lite BX, the torque is instant. The moment you touch the throttle, all the power goes straight to the wheel. No waiting, no buildup, just immediate force. And there's more. E-motos are lighter than most dirt bikes. Less weight means it takes way less effort to lift the front wheel. Plus, the weight is more centered, which makes balancing a wheelie way easier. So when you combine instant torque, lightweight, and perfect balance, you get a bike that almost wants to wheelie. That's why beginners loop them, and why experienced riders make it look effortless.